Alright, this is the Daewoo model DMV3016LD extended stroke vertical machining center.
Yeah. How do you want to do it? You come in here first? Well, in fact, we're open right here, so we can show some of the axes and look around. Got a tool in there now.
Front guard is off right now, just for purposes of
goes across here,
showing the condition of the linear ways and the ball screw. This is the way covers.
Side covers, we don't have to show it here, do we? Okay there. Control. With the documentation at the bottom, if you want to...
Yeah, we open that up.
Sure.
So, just purchased this set of documentation for the machine directly from Doosan.
And we've got the books. We've got one disc, which is the ladder diagram, which is good to have. Electric ladder for the control. And electrical circuits, schematics, operation manual, and a parts book. So it's all here, complete. And we're currently temped in at 220 volts, 3-phase. Right behind me here, if you want to pan through it. The front cover. And around the other side here. Pump system. Not currently connected, but it is in place with the high pressure filter. And the air package all through here. Lubrication back in here. Got some extra filters down on the pump system down here, so that'll all go with it. We're just not plugged in at this point.
Okay.
And axes wise, we can move some things around here. Table in, let me see, why, we'll move the axis in, and we can do some wrapping here too. That's all pretty good. Z, we can bring that down. Of course, X. It is at 100% override pull out, so. Sounds pretty good. And we should be able to get the NDI. We could do a spindle speed here. Play with that a little bit. See how that goes. Going to put 4,500 and see if it takes that at 60%, and then we can dial it up slowly and go from 4,000 to 8,000 or 7,000.
It's right there, compressor.
Yeah. And cycle start. And that is at 2,700 right now. Even though I programmed 45, we got it down at 60% here. It's a little bit cold, but we'll come up a little bit at a time here. So hanging right there, right? That's 27. 3,100. 36. 600. And I'll bump it one more, 90. 4,000. And our 4,500 that we called for. Should be able to stop it here. I haven't tried this yet. That's on an MDI, I'd have to use an MO4. And if I go to jog, I'm not even sure we changed it. Let's see. Yeah, kept it in there, still in memory. Start. Still a bit higher. I'm not sure what this would do. That's 5,000. 5,500. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds real good. And stop again. It's a good running spindle, for sure. And tool change. We've got one in there now, 8 and 12. We can do a tool change here in MDI. Okay, we're going to try for number 8. Try that. And we'll do one more. Go for a different tool. Insert, and I'll do the next one. You can watch me do it. So, ready? And go. Now come up here, just so you can watch. I'm still in MDI, so I'm just giving MO6. And we're going to go back to tool number 2, MOC2, and the block, insert, and cycle start. We're going to go back to that first tool. And then from here, you just kind of watch me in manual. I'm going to bring them down a little bit, all the axes, and move them in. And let's see, jog. Let's see if I can bring that down. Z. And I'm just going to home everything real fast. Let me back up Y to middle. Just for the sake of showing how reference return works, I'm going to just home all 3 axes, then we'll do a program. Here's reference return. Just go to plus like it shows on the label right here. So you go plus, and you can watch this and watch that at the same time. I'm just going to do all 3 of them right in a row. Z, then Y, then X. There's 1. And while we're doing that, we're going to do Y, and while we're doing that, we're going to do X. And all 3 of them are moving. Z's already done. Then you'll see the lights come on. There's Y's happy. And then X. It's all home. Now I'm just going to go over to memory, which is the stored program. And that's this program right here. We can look at it if we want through here. I'm sorry, page up. It's a long program. We're going to run 2 or 3 minutes of it. There's the beginning. I'm going to run the first couple minutes of it, then we'll pull out because it's a 15-minute program. So that said, it'll go and get its tool, whatever it needs to do. We're just going to let it run full auto. So memory, beginning of program, cycle starts. Just kind of moves kind of slow. I can put it back on position so you can see what's happening, but they're just drilling 3 different holes, and you kind of watch it for a minute or 2 maybe, and then we'll pull out. I think there's 3 holes on that part they were doing. And then it changes one tool and goes back and does it again, then we can stop. Here's the last one. Gonna deep hole drill the same 4 holes again, so at a higher spindle speed, if you can hear it. Now it's up around 2,000, and subsequently they go through 2 more tools and drill the same 4 holes, and they make an elliptical move in there, but it takes a while, so at least they can get an idea of how it looks in auto cycle. I'm gonna reset out of this now, just stop it. Yeah, we're good right there. It all runs really nice.